Hi, this is Chris. I'm over here at 26 Marlin in Medfield, where we're working on an addition remodeling project. The existing house was approximately 2,000 square feet, and we poured an addition today that will add another 800 square feet to that house. The homeowner's objective is to make a house that will suit their lifestyle as they get older. And this really comes down to single floor living. And one way we did this was we expanded the family room into the existing garage. So in the future, if they want, they can make their existing dining room their new master bedroom. One of the issues we ran into was that there was a collapsed wall along the left side of the garage. And the way we were able to fix this was that we basically poured a new footing underneath where the old wall was, and we built a new foundation wall in its place. The first step was really to secure the existing structure first. This enabled us to remove the rest of the foundation wall and support the structure up above it. We knew that there was going to be issues with ledge over here, so going into the project we had a pretty good game plan. Instead of removing all the ledge, we merely pinned the footings through the ledge. So the objective over the next couple weeks is to really start the new addition on the left side of the house. Once this is constructed, we will be able to continue the demo and framing of the existing house to tie everything together.